Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to use AI generated captions for threads growth. Captions make or break engagement, and using AI can help you post faster and smarter. First of all, what you're gonna do is open your app and then use Use free tools like ChatGPT, Canva, Magic Write, or Notion AI on your phone. These generate catchy captions in seconds. First of all, open your ChatGPT app and then instead of saying write a caption, say write a funny one for threads, and then you could write whatever you want, which ChatGPT will give you. And here's a funny one-liner you can use for threads. Monday is just Friday's evil twin in disguise. And that's it. You can also ask for 3 to 4 options, like you can type in could you provide 3 to 4 options, and then AI will generate you 3 to 4 options, and they choose whichever one you like. It will give you 4 options, or how many options you will ask them for. This will help you match the vibe of your audience. Before posting, check the thread search tab for hot topics. Drop those keywords into your AI generated caption so it ties in what's trending. Share the post and stick around for 15 to 30 minutes to reply to comments. Early engagement boosts reach. Safety tip: do not copy paste AI text blindly. Always tweak captions so they sound authentic and match your voice. And quick fix: if AI captions flop, rerun the prompt with your target audience in mind. Example: write a short caption for Gen Z fitness fans. The closer it matches to your niche, the better it performs. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.